Hello guys, welcome once more to another video on the Business in Africa YouTube channel. My name is Rufo Chifu, and today I will be responding to one of your comments from a member of the community. I'm just going to read that comment and then I'll give a response to that. This person is Nkwesi Sibi. Nkwesi Sibi. I don't know where you're coming from, but hello, how are you doing? The person said, please, I want you to draw a business plan for students. And that's what I'm going to do today. Okay, guys, I have a business plan model very quick for students. If you're new to business, you can use the Rufus business plan model that has 5 different sections. This is a model that I've taken time to actually research and bring that out, and it has all the sections that you need to get started. The first section of this business plan is your executive summary. Okay, so now take note of this. Executive summary is the first section of this plan. If you're new to business, in this section you can just put the reason why you're doing the business. This section is also going to carry the name of your business, and of course you're going to put the business case, right? Why you're doing the business, is the business, why you think the business is profitable, and which problem you're about to solve, and all of this is going to come out here. Now the second section of your business plan is going to be your product/services. Is your business a product business or a service business? Okay, so whatever product or service you're selling, make sure that you detail it out in this section of the business plan. Okay, and of course you're going to write here some kind of like why should advantages of your business, of your product, very detailedly, and put it in this section. Now the third section of your business plan, or the third section of the Rufus Action Business Plan, is your operational strategy, okay, or your operational plan. Now everything about how you are going to make sure that your services get to your client is going to be here. Everything in terms of like your HR plan, your operating plan, how you're going to, if you're going to hire, what staffs you're going to hire, are you going to produce your products or you're going to just purchase, which kind of vehicles you're going to use to deliver, like your delivery service, and all of this is going to come under the operating plan. The fourth section of the Rufus Action Business Plan is your marketing plan, okay, or your marketing strategy. Now, under this section, you're going to tell us how you're going to find your customers, who are your customers in the first place, how you're going to sell to them, where you're going to find them. Now, you have to detail this here. And then the fifth section of the business model is the financial plan. Now, you're going to find out that everything that you've been doing from section 1 to section 4, you make sure that you try to tie some costs to that, from your operating plan to your marketing strategy to your, the products where you're going to get them. You try to put some cost to that, and then that is going to come under the financial strategy or the financial projection or the financial plan. Okay, so if you follow this simple, the Rufus Action Business Plan model, you should be able to write the business plan for your small business no matter where you are, without having to go to any consultants or any experts. Okay, but I have another video. I think it's going to be here. I'm going to also drop that in the comment section below, so that you just click on the link and keep watching about this business plan model. I did a very elaborate video on this model, so click on the links. It's in the description box below and watch that. It's still on this channel, okay? So don't go anywhere without watching, because you're going to have more insights and more light about writing a very concise business plan for yourself as a small business owner. As I already said, this was a response to Kwesi Sibi. Kwesi Sibi, I think I'm pronouncing that properly. I just had to do this video because someone requested for this video, and as I said, if you're watching me, if you've been following me on this channel, this is a time where you just have to drop your comments and expect me to do a video based on that, because I decided that this year I will just be doing videos based on your comments. Okay, so drop me your comments, let me know which topics you want me to do next, ask your specific questions, and I will do a video to answer those questions, okay? So I don't know Kwesi Spin, I don't know where you're watching me from, but no matter where you're watching me from, let me know if I answered your question. If I didn't, still let me know in the comment section below. Probably I'll do another video to elaborate more or to expatiate more based on your request. If you're new to this channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and join the family, okay? And give me thumbs up if you enjoy what I'm doing here. If you enjoy the fact that I'm trying to put Africa on the map, and just share this video as much as possible. Click on the like button and don't go anywhere. Keep watching. More videos are on this channel. More videos everywhere. I have over 800 videos here, and I think they are going to add value to you, okay? So keep scrolling and keep watching, and I am going to see you in my next video. Bye bye. One love, Africa.